Hello everyone. So in this video I wanted to show you my DIY deep conditioner. So the first thing you're going to need is a conditioner. I'm using the Tresemme Silky and Smooth conditioner, and then you're also going to need honey. Honey is optional, but it's a good ingredient because it's a humectant, which means that it helps to retain moisture in your hair. And then you're going to also need an oil. I am using our scalp soothing and strength sealing oil, which has jojoba oil, olive oil, and a whole bunch of other oils. And you're going to mix everything together, and all of this is going to just enhance the conditioner, and it's really going to help to strengthen the hair, soften the hair, and help you to detangle as well. So the first thing I do is that I just pour a pretty generous amount of the conditioner into a bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of my ingredients. So I'll go ahead and just add the honey, and then last but not least, I will add the oil. Now, as you can see, I did not measure any of these out. I kind of just eyeballed it. If you want to measure it out, that's fine. But for me, I just kind of just eyeballed everything. And then the next thing is just to eyeball the oil as well. And this oil is really great. Like I said, it has ingredients in there that will really help to strengthen your hair, soften your hair. I tell you, if you use this oil, your hair is instantly going to be soft. Like, it provides this amazing softness and shine to your hair that is just incredible. I love it. I use it for my hair. I use it for my daughter's hair. And if you're interested, the links to our products will be in the description box below. Now, of course, you don't have to use our oil. You can actually just use plain coconut oil or jojoba oil or olive oil or castor oil or a mixture of those oils. But the most important thing is to add oils to your conditioner, because it just helps to and just amplify the conditioning process. So here I'm just mixing everything together, and that's what you want to do, is just mix everything together, make sure that it is well mixed, and then we're ready to apply it to our hair. So you're just going to apply it the way that you apply it to your hair as normal. Typically, after I shampoo my hair, then I will section off my hair into different sections. I typically will start from the front, and then I will just apply the conditioner, a pretty generous amount too. This actually lasted me, I think, about 2 or 3 washes, which is very interesting because I didn't expect that at all. So here my hair is freshly washed, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this conditioner. It actually smelled really good too. Like I said, so I typically will start from the front, and then I will apply the conditioner. First I will finger detangle, and then I'll also go ahead and just apply my wide tooth comb and just make sure that I comb it through. When I'm all done, I'll twist up that section, and then I will just put it away, and I twist it up just so that it doesn't tangle back up again. And then I will put a plastic cap over it. Sometimes I don't, but most times I do, and then that'll also help to provide more intense deep conditioning, because my body heat will be trapped in that plastic to really help to provide that deep conditioning for me. And so if you are someone who you find deep conditioners to be expensive or whatever, you can just DIY it at home. For me, I have actually never bought a regular deep conditioner from the market. In the past, I used to just use my regular conditioner, and then I will just use coconut oil or olive oil with that. And in the past, I used to add honey as well. A few other benefits of honey is that it helps with smoothing the hair shaft, and it also helps to add shine to the hair. As far as conditioner, you can use any rinse out conditioner. But yeah, this is just it. It's really quite simple. Let me know what you think. What deep conditioner do you use in your hair? Let us know. Share with us below. Maybe there are some really good ones out there that we can perhaps try out. But I hope that you found this video helpful. Ladies, just remember that your hair is God's design. He designed it for you. And as the designer, he has the manual that will help you to be able to take proper care of your hair here. Yes, I share all of these tips and that's great, but at the end of the day, your relationship with him is what will propel you to be able to be guided accordingly as far as how to take care of your hair. And so please involve him in the process. He cares about you, he loves you, and he wants you to prosper in every aspect of your life, and that even includes your hair. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye for now.